Here's how to fix Minecraft keeps crashing or freezing. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. From the left panel, select System. Then, click Display. Scroll to the bottom and open Graphics. Expand Advanced Graphics Settings and make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is turned on. Next, scroll down to your list of applications and locate Minecraft. Click the drop-down arrow next to it, open GPU Preference, and set it to High Performance. Also, make sure Optimizations for Windows Games is enabled. If Minecraft isn't listed, scroll back to the top and click Add Microsoft Store App. Then select Minecraft if it's available. If you don't see it there, go back and choose Add Desktop App instead and browse to the Minecraft installation folder to add it manually. Once you finish that, open the Start menu and return to Settings. Now, select Apps and open Installed Apps. Search for Minecraft, click the three-dot menu beside it, and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for the process to complete. After that, click Reset. Then confirm by selecting Reset again. Check if that fixes your issue. If the game is still crashing, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type %, app data, %, and press Enter. Here, open the .minecraft folder, then double-click the mods folder. A common cause of Minecraft crashes is incompatible or outdated mods. Select all the files inside the mods folder and delete them. Keep in mind that this will remove your installed mods, but it can resolve freezing and crashing problems. If the issue still isn't fixed, the final method is to update or install Java. Open your web browser and search for Java Download. Visit the official Java website, then download the Windows Online installer. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Java on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch Minecraft again and check if the crashing or freezing issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.